It's weird. Welcome to the Wild Gut Project. My name is Carrie. So this video is all about the kind of store cupboard staples you can keep around other people's houses when you're doing the kind of strict elimination phase of the low FODMAP diet as a vegan, so that when you're around theirs, if there's someone you visit a lot, you have some things you can actually eat. So this is something that a lady brought up in the secret Facebook group, which I'll link below. And it's basically, so when she's staying around her boyfriend's, he is not vegan, he's obviously not low FODMAP, so he, he's not that well stocked for her diet. And this is what I had the issue with before when I was dating my boyfriend. I live with him now, so I have, all my stuff here. But yeah, if I go stay around his for the night, you're kind of like, okay, well, what am I going to eat for breakfast in the morning? There's nothing here that's suitable. So I ended up having my own stash there, and it worked really well. And I had a stash at my parents' as well, because sometimes I go back for the weekend and want to make sure you actually have something to eat without always having to go to the supermarket. So I wanted to share with you these kind of store cupboard essentials or staples, and they might actually just be quite useful anyway for getting yourself set up ready for the low FODMAP diet. So for carbohydrates, I would have some gluten-free pasta and some rice noodles. And to throw together savoury meals, I'd have some miso paste, some tomato passata, and some garlic infused olive oil. And then for proteins, I'd have canned lentils or canned chickpeas, then tofu, and if I use just a small amount, you can cube it and freeze it quite easily. And then also in the freezer, I'd have some edamame beans as well, which you can always just chuck into whatever you're having. For breakfast, I pretty much always have kind of porridge or oats of some kind, and then keep some kind of frozen berries or fruit in the freezer. And of course, some peanut butter, which you can put on top so you can have porridge, fruit, peanut butter sorted. And then to go with the peanut butter, I also used to have oat cakes, or still do actually, together, some banana or something, some fruit, you've got yourself a nice snack. And if you're there a lot, it's quite handy just to have some low FODMAP plant milk as well, so you can have like tea or coffee or whatever. So that's everything. It's quite a lot really altogether, but spread out on the different kind of fridge, freezer, cupboard, it's not too bad. If I was being really, really basic, I'd probably just pick the kind of oats, rice noodles, miso, peanut butter, and it also really depends what the kind of food that person has. So my mum will have a lot of food in general, like mums do, so I wouldn't have as much there. It would just be like maybe some rice noodles, so I could have something quickly, and some miso paste. The other thing, which was really lovely of my boyfriend, is that he had a copy of the Meal Maker Guide, which I will link below for you if you want it. So he could see the sort of vegetables and fruits and things that I could eat, so he made a point of buying those when he was buying vegetables, which then meant it was really easy for us to put kind of meals together which we could both enjoy. Please comment below if there's anything you think I missed out and would be useful to have somewhere so everyone else can see. And please like if this was helpful, and subscribe if you want to be doing the low FODMAP diet while vegan. I make a video every Sunday, so I'll see you next week. Bye!